Remember that video platform called IGTV? Well, Reels might have stolen the show lately on Instagram, but IGTV is still a really good opportunity for brands that want to do some storytelling or step-by-step tutorials. And we think that it's about to make a major comeback. Hi, I'm Christine from Later, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to share your first IGTV video, as well as some hot tips to increase your video views. But before we jump into the good stuff, make sure you tap that subscribe button so that you stay up to date with all of our latest videos. If you're fairly new to the world of IGTV, here are some important things that you should know. Number 1, IGTV is for long-form video content. Videos have to be at least 60 seconds long and can be up to 1 hour in length. Number 2, videos can be vertical or horizontal. When IGTV first launched, all videos had to be vertical, like Instagram stories. But thankfully, this is no longer the case, so you can repurpose your YouTube videos on the app now. Number 3, IGTV videos live on a tab on your Instagram profile, but you can also share a 15-second preview to your Instagram feed. This is one of the best ways to secure more views for your IGTV videos, so I'll be sharing more tips on how to do this later on. And number 4, IGTV descriptions are one of the few places you can have clickable links on Instagram, making them a really valuable hack for driving traffic, especially when you pair it with a product review or a step-by-step tutorial. We've seen brands driving huge results from IGTV by using this technique. So the good news is it's super easy to share videos on IGTV. All you need to do is go to your Instagram profile, tap that little plus icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then tap IGTV video. From here, you'll be able to select a video from your camera roll to upload. You'll notice that any videos that are under 1 minute in length will be grayed out. That's because they are too short for IGTV. Once you've selected a video, tap Next and select a cover image. You can either choose a frame from your video footage or upload an image from your camera roll. In general, we'd always recommend uploading an image, as this will give you the highest quality. Tap Next to add all the important details to your IGTV, like your video title and description. These fields are really important for Instagram SEO, so think about what keywords and hashtags best describe your video content. The more strategic you are, the more likely your IGTV videos The more strategic you are, the more likely your IGTV videos will appear on relevant Instagram Explorer pages. And that's not all. As I mentioned earlier, your IGTV description is one of the few places on Instagram where you can have clickable links. However, the video description is tucked behind this tiny little arrow when someone clicks to watch your video, so it's a good idea to verbally encourage your viewers to tap the arrow throughout your video. Once you've added your title and video description, you can choose whether to add your video to an existing series or create a new one. This is an optional step, but it's also a good idea to organize recurring IGTV videos into series. That way, when someone stumbles upon one of your videos, they'll automatically be prompted to view the next video in your series. Next up, you can choose whether you want to share a preview of your IGTV video to your Instagram feed. This will just share the first 15 seconds to your most engaged followers. With this in mind, you want to make sure the first 15 seconds of your video has a strong hook, so viewers are incentivized to watch the full video in the IGTV player. Your video title and description will automatically be converted into your feed preview caption, so keep this in mind. Unfortunately, links are not clickable in feed preview captions. If your IGTV is in vertical format, it'll be cropped down to a 4:5 ratio in the feed preview. You can alter which section of the video is shown on screen by selecting Edit Preview. However, it's probably best to take this into account as you create your IGTV content. When you share a preview to your Instagram feed, your IGTV's cover image will be visible on your main grid with a little IGTV icon in the right-hand corner. Taking this into account, it's worth thinking about how your cover image looks in a 1:1 format. You can reposition the image by tapping Edit Profile Cover, but again, it's worth thinking about this in advance for the best results. Finally, you can decide whether to also share your IGTV to any Facebook groups you have. And if you tap Advanced Settings, there's a handy option to add auto-generated captions. This is a great way to instantly make your videos more accessible. And that's it. You're now ready to hit publish and share your first IGTV with the world. You should now have everything you need to know to create awesome IGTV videos for your audience. If you're on the lookout for some more tips, I've added a link in the description below to some more awesome blog posts on IGTV. Prepare to get inspired. And if you like this video, tap that like button, subscribe, or leave us a comment. I'll see you next time.